man. Always late, huh?
I'm sorry, Mr. Aziz. There was a disturbance.
Disturbance, another disturbance. Always a disturbance with you. Come on. 21 minutes ago, in comes order. Hamilton, Burton, and Smith. 8 extra large deep dish pizzas. In 8 minutes, I am defaulting on Joe's 29-minute guarantee. Then, not only am I receiving no money for these pizzas, but I will lose the customer forever to Pizza Year. Look, you are my only hope, all right? You have to make it in time. Peter, you're a nice guy, but you're just not dependable. This is your last chance. You have to go 42 blocks in 7.5 minutes, or your ass is fired. Go!
Stole that guy's pizza!
Hey, you guys. No playing in the streets.
Yes, Mr. Spider-Man.
See ya.
Way to go, Spidey!
Pizza time.
You're late. I'm not paying for those.
Joe's 29-minute guarantee is a promise, man. I know to you, Parker, a promise means nothing. But to me, it's serious.
Serious to me too, Mr. Aziz.
You're fired. Go.
Please, I need this job.
You're fired.
But give me another chance.